So guppies seems to be sick because they are at the top and they are breathing hard, and I believe it's ammonia. So let's test the ammonia with the ammonia test kit from Tetra. Should take 5 millimeters from aquarium. Fourteen drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14. Now 7 from this one. Seven. Now from bottle number 3, again 7. Seven. Now let's check the color. Second one, 025. So it has a bit of ammonia, but not so much. 025 is toxic on long term, but it may get more greener after a while, 10 minutes, or so. Actually, I think it's more than 0 to 5. So it's more toxic. It's more than 0 to 5, so that's a problem now. It has a lot of ammonia now. It's a problem in the fish tank. If you keep it more, maybe it gets even worse. It should be yellow, this one, in order to be okay. Now it's 1.5, which is bad for fish. High ammonia in the tank, so that's why they are sick. If you keep it more, then the color on the instruction says to keep 20 minutes and then check the color, so it will get darker. Yep, it's the ammonia. Poor guys, they are struggling